How to change notification pop-up style on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Open the app drawer on the device, tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to notifications, tap on it. Here you can see the notification pop-up style. Customize the appearance of notification pop-up. Two options available: brief and detail. In the details, you can see all the notification will pop up on the screen when you receive any notification or any other data. When you select the brief option, you can see the edge lighting effect and show brief pop-ups even where screen is off. In the brief, you can add the edge lighting effect like this when you receive any notification on your Samsung Z Fold 7. So you can select different effects like this. Also select the color if you want to set different color when you receive the notification on the Samsung device. In the advanced, you can set the transparency or duration. You want to show notification is lighting on a device. So select the color effect in advance and tap on the done option to set on a device. Or you can also select the detail option to show the app notification as the details in the notification when you receive on your Samsung Z Fold 7. That's it. Like it, share it.